Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to my bedroom. We're recording. Elon Musk just announced. So many things happening. So we had an AMA just now for Magicraft. There was 100 people plus in there, and it was an amazing AMA. We had the CTO, the game producer, the CEO, me answering questions. Just amazing, epic AMA. Thank you all for joining. I love your questions, just beautiful questions. Also, while the AMA was happening, Elon Musk just announced that he offered to buy Twitter at $54 a share, a 20% premium on the current price at $46. $54 a share. He wants to buy all of Twitter and take it private. And this could be an offer that Twitter accepts, because before he bought it, it was at 36%, so almost $36, so almost a 50% increase from the original price before Elon bought it. However, if they decline to buy it, he said he will decline to sell it for $54 a share to him. He said he will sell his shares. So I actually just sold. If you follow the join button down there on your phone, you see my live trades, and I just sold Twitter at $50 in pre-market. Why? Because either they accept and it does jump another 10% to $54, the price that Elon offered, or if they decline it, Twitter and Elon sells his shares, Twitter price will drop massively, easily back down to $20 or $30. So I decided to sell my Twitter holdings that I bought in February or March, when I said that I think Elon is going to buy Twitter, and I'm going to buy a lot of Twitter. Not financial advice, but that's what I was doing. I'll show you that tweet, and I bought Twitter after that, and now it's up more than 50%, which is beautiful. Just showing you can make money, a lot of money in stocks and crypto, not just crypto. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. I'm going to show you my trades from yesterday, which are in the positive. I went long on Bitcoin. I bought half of Bitcoin. And I'm going to show you my trades, what I'm thinking, my thoughts in the market. You do your own due diligence. This is what I'm doing with my money in the markets. You have to make your own decisions. I'm showing what I do with my money in the markets. And now I have 71,000 followers here. You can hit the subscribe button and join them. And on Twitter, 24,000 followers and more across the networks. And I love you all. My goal is financial abundance for you all. My goal is to make crypto mainstream so we can revolutionize this corrupt old world. And thank you for joining me on this beautiful journey. I'm going to keep making videos every day. This is the view from my bedroom. It's just epic. That's the Burj Khalifa from the balcony. Look at this. Just amazing. That's the water, the fountain. There is the fountain where the water shoots up. This is the Burj. Beautiful view. And this is Dubai City. And there's actually one of my VA assistants. He's the venture capital assistant. He deals with the projects and talks to the investors and other projects. I'm a VC of a lot of projects, the founder of a project, influencer in the space. Thank you for watching. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So jumping into the technicals, and this is the market in general, and then we'll go into Twitter and check this out. Twitter pumping, going to Bitcoin. Airbnb up 7% yesterday. The stock market, really strong pump yesterday. NIO up 4%, Boeing up 3%, Tesla up 3%. Coin up 3%, which I own a lot of Coin. I owned a lot of Twitter. And look at this. Twitter, it's actually dropped since I sold it. Again, I sold Twitter at $49.20, and because it was up 7% in pre-market, now it's pulled back to $48. So beautiful sell there. I sold it in pre-market. Maybe my sell dropped it, but it's pretty. There's millions of volume, so it's not just me. Hundreds of millions of volume. Bitcoin is at $41 on the 4-hourly. On the daily, Bitcoin is looking bullish. It bounced strongly off that support. It's still in this overall bear flag though, and we're at a point of a really strong resistance. So not the best place here, because this is a bear flag. This one, we've got the pole here, we've got the flag here, and that's usually a bearish pattern, and that's a big bearish pattern. Stochastic is also turning down on the daily. MACD is also heading down. It's trying to turn up. Money flow, though, is flowing into Bitcoin. We've got a big flow of money trying to come into Bitcoin. And usually when that happens, we get a pump. Like, for example, here, you can see the price up there. So here we had a pump. Here we had a pump. Here we had a pump. Whenever the money flow bottoms, we usually have a pump after that. Here we had a pump. So it could be a bottom in for Bitcoin on the daily. Let's go into the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, MACD is heading up. It's trying to turn from oversold, heading up. That's bullish. Money flow is flowing. This is the price of Bitcoin. I teach you how to do this in the crypto course. Money flow is peaking, and stochastic is also peaking on the 4-hourly. However, I am seeing a bullish patterns here. We have a kind of W formation here, and we have a bull flag that's forming here. This is a bull flag. That's the shape of a bull flag. So we could be getting a movement here to the base of the flag. So a bull flag is, we've got this, which is the flag. I'll quickly draw you a bull flag. I teach you technical analysis in the crypto course. You can learn with my 6,000 students. That's the bull flag. We usually move the distance of the pole of the flag. So this distance here, which would be sending us on Bitcoin to around 42,300. But at 42,000, we have a major resistance. So that's a point of major resistance. So I do think at 42,000 will be difficult. EMA ribbons, we're into the EMA ribbons again. Volume is starting to grow. VPVR, we took a lot of the liquidity down there. Now we need to go back up because a lot of the orders now are sitting up above 43,000. So that's where all the liquidity is sitting. So I think the market maker is going to pump it to 43,000 to take out that liquidity. Crypto Guru bot still showing a red. Bitcoin indicator bot is fired a buy a few days ago. You get the bots in the crypto course. And stochastic is again overbought but still heading up. So I do think we could have a target to 42,000. If it fails to break out of this bull flag to the upside, again target is 39,657, then we get worried. On the hourly, we are also oversold and is trying to break out of this bull flag, which is beautiful. We had a pump and then it dropped, but it does look like, again, like a bull flag. So I am bullish, especially with this W formation. 42,373 is the target. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, down below in the comment section, go underneath this video, hit the underneath the video in the comment section, you can get $8,700 worth of bonuses. If you sign up to Bybit, which is my favorite exchange, you get 4,600 USD when you sign up to Bybit and start trading using this link. So down below in the comment section and the description, click on this link, sign up to Bybit, 4,600 US dollars. If you use other exchanges, you get liquidated or they have a lot of high fees. I recommend Bybit. Femex, you also get $4,100 worth of bonuses. NordVPN if you have restrictions, and you can take the crypto master course with more than 6,000 students. The links are in the comment down below to join all that. Also join, the links will be to Instagram, etc. And in my Bybit account, I have $200,539. I'm holding half a Bitcoin in there, $20,000 of Bitcoin. The rest is US dollars, almost 180,000 US dollars. My Bitcoin trade from yesterday is up 22%, $292. It was just a $1,300 trade, around $12,000 of value. And the take profit is at 42,400 and the stop loss is 38,900. So I'll keep that trade active. I sold Twitter. I'm buying a lot of cake and staking it. I bought a lot yesterday. I bought around 60,000 so far. I'm going to buy $1 million of cake all up and stake it for 67% APY. Cake is also looking bullish on the 4-hourly. Strong bounce off this support here at $7.69. Also forming a bull flag on Cake. Look at this. We're getting a lot of bull flags forming. This is a bull flag here on Cake. We've got this pole here. We've got a flag formation. This could be bullish. We've got this kind of flag formation forming. This is a bull flag. Cake could be bullish. Target would be $11.59. I'm going to buy another $30,000 of cake then. So I'm going to open BNB, now Binance. This is my account on Binance. I have to log in. So I have to log in again. In this account, I have like $1 million. So I have to log in there. No, 600,000 US dollars. I'm going to buy more cake because the target would be $11.58 on cake. And why I like cake is if you look back in time, cake at the height was up here, $43. Now we're sitting at $8.20. So it ranged for the last 2 years from $8 to $44 down to $12 up to $25, and you get, this is PancakeSwap, the biggest decentralized exchange or second biggest in the world. It's Binance's product. Binance is part of PancakeSwap, but it's a decentralized exchange. So I'm really bullish on this project, and you get 67% APY. So if I put $1 million, I'm going to get $670,000. $670,000 a year just by buying $1 million of cake. I'll get $670,000 in interest per year for holding cake. And then we have the capital gains that could happen. If cake goes back to its all-time high, $43, that's on $1 million, I'll make, how much is that? On $1 million, I'd make 389%. So with $1 million, I'll make $3 million, almost $4 million of profits, while I'm getting 67% per year APY of $670,000. So amazing trade, in my opinion, to be taking. So I'm going to be buying cake. That's my main strategies right now. I just sold Twitter. I've got a lot of Facebook, a lot of Twitter that I just sold at a premium, which is beautiful. And I've got a lot of Coinbase. So those are my thoughts. That's my targets for Bitcoin. Also, I'll show you here on Twitter just some information and things that have been happening. So this was me selling VIP, sold Twitter at $49.10 into this pump. This was on the VIP live trades. The link is in the description. Pre-market on Elon Musk offering to buy Twitter at $54. If he says in the thing that if they decline to sell Twitter to him, so this is his post. He linked the sec.gov. So this is I invested in Twitter. I believe it's the potential to be a platform of free speech around the globe. I believe free speech is a social imperative for functioning democracy. However, since making my investment, I now realize the company will neither thrive nor serve this social imperative in its current form. Twitter needs to be transformed as a private company. As a result, I am offering to buy 100% of Twitter for $54.20 per share in cash, a 54% premium over the day before I began investing in Twitter, and a 38% premium over the day before my investment was publicly announced. My offer is my best and final offer, and if it's not accepted, I would need to reconsider my position as a shareholder. This is the reason I sold in the pump at $50, because I could get another $4.20. But I would need to consider my position as a shareholder. Means if they decline his offer to buy Twitter, which is stupid on their part because it will just drop instantly, but if they decline, he will sell, and that will also make Twitter drop. Twitter has extraordinary potential. I will unlock it. That was what Elon Musk wrote, and this is in the SEC. Here you can also see in the voice script, best and final. I am not playing the back and forth game. I have moved straight to the end. It is a high price and shareholders will love it. If the deal doesn't work, given that I don't have confidence in management, nor do I believe I can drive the necessary change in the public market, I would need to reconsider my position as a shareholder. This is not a threat. It's simply not a good investment without the changes that need to be made, and those changes won't happen without taking the company private. So that's why I sold my stock in Twitter at that premium at $50. Today, after I called it, I actually called Elon Musk buying Twitter. Check this out. I predicted it here. 26th of March. On Elon's tweet, given that Twitter serves as de facto public town square, failing to adhere to free speech principles, fundamentally, what should be done? And I said, I am loading up on Twitter on Monday. This was on the 26th of March. Elon Musk might buy it. So I posted this on the 26th of March. Elon Musk might buy it. Not financial advice. It's a hunch and what I am doing. That hunch came to be true. I'm going to retweet this because it's epic call. And I bought a lot of Twitter, and then I just sold Twitter because of etc. what I just said. And so I've sold Twitter at that $50 premium because I don't want to miss the pump. So that's what I'm doing in the markets. Thank you for watching. I'm going to keep making these videos every day, even though I'm already a very wealthy person and I'm kind of retired. I make videos from my phone. But I love speaking to you all, and my goal is financial abundance for you all. We're also working on Magicraft, which is making crypto mainstream. These are some things coming from Magicraft. This is the Necromancer coming to life. This is another kind of Necromancer design coming to life. Characters from Magicraft are coming to life. These are from our graphic designers. I purchased the call last year and won the drawing at the time, and James sent me $1,000 via PayPal. He's for real, and the course is worth it. So you're an institute of knowledge. The knowledge you have is priceless. So happy to found you. You're the only channel that I've turned on notifications for. Nobody else. Also, before you, I hated technical analysis, but you showed me how to love it. Of course, people attack you. You're the king. Best technicals ever. You're the first YouTube analyst who are objective and not bullish bias. Thank you for that. Thank you, James, for the amazing effort you have on vacation. Still uploading videos. Much love. Keep up the great work. Thank you, James. Purchase your crypto course and have made awesome gains since, mainly Bitcoin. Beautiful. I made back the $200 in the minute of being in the chat. This is talking about the VIP chat. Hello, minutes. Yeah, and then we had the AMA today. So thank you all for watching. Love you guys. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button. Join 71,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.